Alright guys, so we're back today. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick DIY. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a massive 3-foot snowflake for $3 from Dollar Tree. So I bought 3 packs of hangers, right? I chose these because they got a little different, I don't know, a little different design than a regular, flat-ended hanger. And then you got the ones with the hook, so you can make these all types of different ways. But the whole deal is, guys, right, they say that no 2 snowflakes are alike, right? So we're gonna go with these. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Super simple. I haven't decided if I'm gonna add lights to these or not yet. We'll figure that out later on. But either way, 3 packs, 7 in each pack, so $3, and you need 16 no matter what, right? So let's go ahead and let's get this pile out of the way. I'll show you guys real quick. So now you can do this any way you guys want, right? So I'm gonna face mine down, right? Because I want mine to go like this. We'll match them up. Now this is just like a quick trial run, guys. Obviously, like I said, it all depends on what you like. I'm gonna do something like this and line that up there. And then I'm just lining it up. Like I said, no 2 snowflakes are gonna be the same, right? So that's the mentality when you're doing this. So basically, you guys can play with it as much as you want, and figure out what your style is, right? Because that's what we do here. We figure out what our style is gonna be, and that's about it. It's just we figure out our style, figure out what we're gonna do, and I'm thinking I like this. So we're gonna be okay with this right here. What happened? I lost her. The cat probably took off one of my things here. But that's it, just like that. Super simple. $3. You got a really good looking snowflake. Let me grab the camera. And check out that snowflake. Let me stand up. Like, that's pretty sick, right? So this is literally 3 feet wide, 3 feet tall. You get a massive, snowflake for $3. So basically, this is super simple, right? You zip tie at the bottom. You zip tie right here where the 4 corners meet right here. And then, just a whole lot of zip ties, guys. So you're gonna need smaller zip ties. Put it on there, and that thing looks pretty good. I mean, I like it. You guys see my other snowflakes? Go check out the other video. I lit them up with the Beat Sync lights, but those are a little small. So I want to go big, 36-inch snowflakes right here for $3. You guys look anywhere else, you're talking about, if they're lighted, like $150 for some of these things. So for $3, you add lights for $10, $13. We'll see how it goes. I haven't decided yet. I might just spray paint these with some glitter paint. Not sure, but this is the practice run. Just laying them out. We're gonna come back later, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I'm gonna decorate these, put them up on the house, and hopefully it'll look great. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so here it is after a couple hours, you know, eating dinner and all that stuff. I finally got the snowflake done. This thing is massive, guys. It measures 3 feet any which way you go, from corner to corner, corner to corner, up and down, left and right. It measures 3 feet 36 inches. This thing is definitely massive. It took over, it was 200 zip ties, 200 4-inch zip ties. And I'm using the beat sync lights that I had on the other snowflakes. So basically what I did, I got tired of the beat sync because they're battery powered. Every 2 days, 2.5 days, they would go dead 6 hours a night. It was killing the batteries way too fast, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm actually hot wiring it to a 5-volt power supply. So, you know, I still got to work on that. But this is it, guys. This is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light and we'll check it out. So that's Snowflake. So I'm still using the beat sync pattern. This is just one of the patterns it has. I just want to show you guys all the different lights that it's putting out. This thing looks awesome. I can't wait to get it on the house tomorrow. But that's it, guys. You know, I just wanted to show you a 36-inch. I don't know, no, it's bigger than 36 inches. I guess you would double it. I'm not really sure. But either way, it's massive. And so $3 and change for the coat hangers, $10 for the lights, and about $3 for the zip ties, 200 zip ties. So you're looking at less than $20 for a massive snowflake that looks good. It's definitely going to add to the outside of the house. And that's it, guys, you know, super simple. And as always, you know, I just want to thank you guys for checking out the videos. I really appreciate it. We hit 1,000 subscribers this week, so that's awesome. So I can't wait to, you know, continue to make videos for you guys. You know, I really enjoy it. But as always, stay safe. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.